go wash my face. So to start off, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna wash my face. This is a nasty girl, so I'm in bed right now, so no bother with it, no bother look for me going on no shower right now, guys. Forget that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, look for my hairstyle. Ah, the hair won't comb, boy. Now guys, this is my daughter's room. Look where she put me to sleep, guys. Right there, so on this a little bed. And I always have my Bible on my bed. If not, I have it on my side table. I pray and I read my Psalms. I keep my Bible close to my heart. All right. When I'm feeling down or anything, I just read the Psalms. I pray with my husband, with my mom, with my family. All right. And this is the little bee in the bed when my daughter give me for sleep on. All right, guys. So I'm in the bathroom. And I'm gonna wash my face and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. So I'm not doing nothing fancy today. All right, guys. From the dollar, I think from the Dollar Tree, I got this cleansing face oil. So basically, when you put it on your face, it's like an oil base, and then once you wet it, it kind of foams or have soap in it somewhat. So I'm gonna just wet my hands and I'm gonna rub it into my skin. Oh my god, it makes my face so soft when I use it, because it's like oil based at first, and then if you put water on it. But look what I'm working with, guys. I roll it up. Jamaican people roll it up because I squeeze out every last bit out of it. And now I'm gonna brush my teeth while I leave this to soak in my face for a little bit. Let me show you. You just want to wet it now. Once you wet it with water, it starts to form a soap, like a sud. Can you see that, guys? Amazing. So it works as oil before to soften your skin, and after you just rinse it off. It's super amazing. Can you see that goodness, guys? Yes. Make my skin feel soft and refreshed. I'm gonna use this cedar and stone body oil, and I'm just gonna add about 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna moisturize my face, guys. That's it, and that's it. If you're not going anywhere, put lots of oil on your skin. Make it soft and refreshing and nice. I usually rub my lips, them big old juicy lips. I have this Moroccan and argan oil and camellia oil. I'm just gonna use a little bit just to rub up in my hair. Oh god, it smells so nice. And I'm just gonna band my hair. And I took that part over. So there. Look how your girl cute. No brows, no nothing. Sometimes, guys, honestly, I keep this on. I'm not telling no lie. But I'm just gonna put on a little house dress, and then we're gonna go down into the kitchen. All right, guys, I'm in my room now, and I change off. That's my stuff. Oh, that's me over there. Oh, can you see the sexy girl there? Oh, yeah. So, guys, I'm in my room now. I'm just gonna show you my bed, how my daughter take over my bed. She take it over. So that's my bed. Can you see that, guys? And look at it. She bring her blanket and her beers, her towels. She take over it. She take over my room. Take it over. Guys, I'm also gonna show you my trash stuff drawer. It need cleaning, and this is my little thing with my body splash perfume. It's crazy, needs to be clean. So I'm gonna choose something refreshing, and I'm gonna add a little body splash. All right, guys, so this is it. So I'm gonna titivate up a little bit, smelling fresh. I'll do them in a shower. just smelling fresh and nice. And also, yeah, just freshen up yourself, and that's it. And this is what I'm wearing. All right, I'm in the kitchen now, and I prep my, it's like almost lunchtime, like breakfast, brunch. All right, and I prep my stuff over there. So I'm gonna make my protein smoothie. But just before I make my protein smoothie, I have to do my alkaline water. And that's it. I put it about this, so basically about 1 cup, because this glass is really big. And I'm gonna put about this amount, maybe about a teaspoon, because it's a tablespoon of baking soda, and that's it. And you can use lime or lemon juice. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze half of lime juice, but you can use lemon. Can you see it, guys? Soon as you start to put it in, hear that sizzle? You want to mix it up, and you want to drink it as is. Sorry. So now that's my alkaline water. Detoxify, build your body, fight against bacteria. Gonna build your immune system, all right guys, to fight all infection and diseases. So that's done. I'm gonna wait for another 2 hours, or maybe say 1.5 hours, before I drink my smoothie. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, my daughter is awake and she brushed her teeth already. I'm gonna make, like, let me see, Sunny, what you want to eat? You want eggs and waffles or eggs and bread? So she said she wants eggs and waffles. The waffles already in the freezer. I'm just gonna put them in the toaster oven. I'm gonna fry up the egg, and that's it for her breakfast. She likes 2 eggs, and I break them because I have to take the whites out, and I'm just gonna add them. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, and that's what she wants. Just go in the fridge. I'm gonna grab some waffles. So there's some. I have some here. I take them out of the pack. Pop in 2 waffles for her. And this is my Easter bun. Can you see the goodness, guys? And knowing nice. So that's that. Maybe I have peas for my lunch with some cheese later on. All right. All right, guys, wish me luck. Usually I can flip it over. There it is. There, that's it. She likes her egg well done, but not burnt. Stove off, and I'm gonna put that here. So I think this is done. Pop this out. Put some syrup, pancake syrup on it. And she likes it on her eggs too. I don't know what's wrong with her. So that's her breakfast. I put in here some nutriments and some milk, and that's what she's having. Enjoy. And now, guys, after she finished her breakfast, she's gonna have her multivitamin. She's gonna take 1, and I have this vitamin C. She will take 1. She also have this multivitamin, but she hates this one. So enjoy your breakfast, okay? And I have just a little deep freeze, a little older deep freeze, and I have like I have stuff here, guys. I have, it's full. I have meat, chicken, bread. And what I'm gonna take out, I have fruits. Like I pack them, I buy them on sale. Like this one, this big chicken I pay for only $6.93. And I have chicken, I have legs, I have, so maybe I'm gonna take this one up. I'm gonna put it to thaw. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do some jerk chicken, yeah, for dinner. Usually I just leave it like this for a few hours, and let it thaw. But if you really want it fast, go ahead and add some water. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna make my my protein smoothie. All right. I have my banana, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Irish mash, about a little bit, not too much, of peanut butter, about that amount. And I'm gonna use about 1/2 cup of almond milk, not too much today. That's good. And to add a little kick to it, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon, good for you. Add it in your daily diet, good for your blood pressure. I'm not gonna put much ice because it's a morning. I'm just gonna add 1 cube, and that's it, guys. We're gonna blend away. And that's my morning or my lunch or brunch. What? Oh, I get a tall glass. Sometimes I make a cup of oatmeal. Depends on the mood. All right, but sometimes I try to get a smoothie in. All right. I do have 2 medication I take. Okay, guys. I have 1 low dose blood pressure medication. I do take it, but I try to heal myself somewhat, but I still take it. All right. I don't mix these. I take these first, or I take those and then I wait a few hours, then I take this. A low dose cholesterol. The doctor said my cholesterol levels are okay somewhat, but I still need to take these. Those stuff, guys, gonna build and boost your immune system. All right, let's pray. Lord, thank you for life. Thank you for health and strength. Thank you for letting us awake to see another beautiful day, another glorious day. Thank you for family, for my kids, for my YouTube family, for my husband, for my mom, my sisters and my brothers, and all my friends and family. Heal me, oh God, and protect me in whatever I'm about to eat may be beneficial to my body. Forgive me and heal me and cleanse me and save me in your kingdom, oh God. And let me live in love and unity and togetherness. Have mercy upon our soul, oh God, in my faith. Amen. All right, so here goes. So refreshing. Lots of antioxidants. Gonna clean and build your body, okay, guys? Help to support your immune system from all these, I don't know what to say, going on in this world now. Oh God, have mercy. Outside is beautiful today. The next step to take my vitamin supplement. No, I'm not a water person, but this is the time I get to drink at least half bottle of my water, and I try to drink some more later sometime. And you can repeat a Psalms, say Psalms 100, make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands, serve the Lord with gladness, come before his presence with singing. Know ye that the Lord, he is God, it is he that had made us and not we ourselves. We are his people and the sheep of his pastures. Now enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him and bless his name, for the Lord is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endureth to all generations. This is a quick little part of the video. This is my lunchtime. I'm just gonna have a piece of my Jamaican Easter bun. See how nice it is, guys. Ooh, so soft. Can you see that? And some coconut water. My good Jamaican bun and cheese. I made it all by myself. And some coconut water. I don't think I'm gonna drink the whole can, maybe half. And I'm just chilling. I'm gonna edit some videos now, guys, and watch some people video. And this one has the pot. Take the first bite. You see that, guys? Packed with lots of flavor. So good. Last bite for you guys. My daughter is making noises. So good. Cheers, guys.
And you have a wonderful day, okay, guys? I feel like I want a little piece more. Maybe a little piece lead to another little piece, and then it don't down. All right, guys. Have a good day. Mwah. Stay safe and stay blessed.